Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW. It's the 420 Gran Coupe with the M Performance package on it. There's an extra. As you see, it's finished itself. It's in beautiful condition. Privacy glass to the rear. It's got a rear aftermarket diffuser. Spoiler at the top. It's the xDrive, 4-wheel drive. As you can see, it's in absolutely lovely condition. Well looked after. Looks and drives like half the mileage. Electric tailgate. Parcel shelves there. Boot area's in lovely condition. Rear park distance control, full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors. There's no wear on the bolsters or anything. It's got auto headlights. Just start the car up. It's done 115,000 miles. Just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. It's just literally arrived. We've got satellite navigation, full media pack with DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity for phone and music. And just scroll through everything on there. Service history is very comprehensive. I think it's full actually. Heated seats, paddle shift on the gearbox. Also the USB. Just nowhere to look at it. Like I say, car looks like a lot more money than it is. Fantastic condition. This is all extra down here. DJH for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty, part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503